Because it's one thing to get justice. You know, you did something wrong, you fell short, and you were punished. You deserved it. You know, it's another thing to get injustice. You didn't do anything wrong, but you were punished and you suffered. But when you're guilty, when you're guilty, when you're not innocent, because the verdict is out. The verdict is out. They said you were guilty. Punishment is pending. And someone comes in and says, you know what? I got this. Take me. Let him go. Let her go. Take me. Punish me. You can understand someone sacrificing for a good man. And you can understand someone sacrificing for a good woman, a good child. But what about the bad ones? What about the ones you thought were evil? Would you cover that one? But I know a man. Hallelujah. When I was guilty, when I deserved to get punished, and this man, he said, I'll cover you. Nail it to me. Let me bleed for you. Let me die for you. But not only that, I will be raised for you. I'll show you how to live. I'll show you how to walk. Yeah, I'll make the crooked path straight. I'll bring the high places down for you.